Namaste. I am A.R. Mohan from Doddaballapur, presenting a Mridangam lesson composed by my teacher, Vidwan Sri Doddaballapur V. Prakash sir. It is a Tirmana in Kanda Ekatala, Chitrusha Nade Madhyamakala, that is 4 letters per beat. Total number of beats 45, total number of letters 180. Tam tataka dim tina dim tatim tatikita tu ti tit takita dim tina dim tit takita dim dina dim tatadim tatikita tu tatadim tatikita tu ti takadina dim tina kadim takadina dim tina kadim takadina dim tina kadim tatadim tatikita tu tatadim tatikita tu tatadim tatikita tu ti tadim tadikita tu tadim tadikita tu di tadim tadikita tu dim. This item can be played in Tishanade upper kala as well, that is 6 letters per beat. The item will get completed in 30 beats.